Hi there, this is Trent Barber. This is my Access tutorial about encrypting an Access database for security purposes. The purpose of this Access tutorial is to provide instruction for EvoCity library workers on how to use encryption on their databases. This is important because a database which is not encrypted is easier for someone to gain access to, which means whatever is included on the database is compromised. This tutorial will look at everything from the right way to open a database for encryption, to how to encrypt with a password, how to open a password-protected database, and how to remove a password and decrypt the database. Once you have completed the tutorial, you will know how to do the following. Open a database in exclusive mode, encrypt a database using a password, open a database that has a password, and remove a password and decrypt a database. Something that is important to remember when using databases is that you can only add encryption if a database has been opened in exclusive mode. This makes sure nobody else can access the database. The process is fairly straightforward. First, open access. Next, click on Open Other Files. From there, you will want to click on Browse to find the database file you want to encrypt. Once you have selected the file, click on the small arrow you will see next to the link that says Open. From there, choose Open Exclusive, and the database will open on your screen. Once you have the database open, you will want to go into Backstage View. On the Info section of the page, you will see an option for Encrypt with Password. We will click on that link, and it will pop up a text box for you to place the password and verify it. After you've done that, you click on OK. That takes care of your password encryption. However, if you are not the owner of a database, but have been provided access, you still need to know how to open the database. This is a quick process. You just open the database as usual, but a box will pop up that asks for the password. You'll type in the password and hit OK. At that point, the database will load for you. Sometimes there may be situations where you no longer want to keep encryption on a database. This next part of the tutorial will look at how to decrypt the database and remove the required password. You do this in Backstage View. You may notice that the button that said Encrypt Database earlier now reads Decrypt Database. We'll click on that button now. You'll see a pop-up on the screen which asks for the password for the database. Once that goes through, your database will be decrypted once again. You can go between encrypted and decrypted as often as you would like, although in most cases it is best to stick with an encrypted database to provide the best security for the database and company information. That marks the end of this tutorial. At this point, you should be capable of opening an encrypted database for which you have a file, encrypting a database on your own, or removing encryption from a database. Thanks for watching.